Well, I was born with cystic fibrosis,
pulmonary hypertension,
acute lymphoblastic leukemia. I wished for a clubhouse because I thought that I would be in my backyard forever instead of going like out of the country or to Disneyland, because that's only a one-time thing. You don't get to go back and do it again. So I chose a clubhouse because I've always wanted one.
A gaming computer, the games I got at Best Buy, Age of Empires 3.
Make-A-Wish asked me if I wanted to have a wish granted. Basically, I said that either I would like to visit a historical site or be in the military, and they kind of granted both. They put me through basic training. We went to a building after I got my uniform on, and we went in, and they taught me how to make my bed.
It's got a loft and stuff, and I got 2 big bean bags, a TV with a DVD player that hooked into it, and it's got a lock on the door.
They tried to help kids who might not be able to get what they want for a job, or just what they've always wanted to be or always wanted to do.
My favorite part about Make-A-Wish is that they give kids something to look forward to while they're sick.
The Make-A-Wish Foundation grants wishes for children with life-threatening medical conditions. We serve children all across the state of Utah. This year we're on target to grant almost 145 wishes, which is actually more than we've ever granted before. The Rubber Ducky Derby, this is actually the 20th year that we're holding this event, so we're really excited to make this really bigger and better than ever. Now we're having the event at Seven Peaks Water Park on August 23rd. We put about 3,500 in at a time. We dump them in the lazy river and race them. So we have several heats. The winners from each heat will pull, and then we'll have about 100 ducks in that final heat for the winning car. It's been a big part of our organization for a long time.